If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am super happy, oh my gosh, can't wait to show you this, to introduce you to the parent pack. Look at this. Now I've made this one for my chosen niece. She is having a little baby girl this coming June, and this is what I have made for her. Now this is something I want to show, especially my clients. This giraffe here, this is an embroidery that I added to this bag. So if you ever order a bag and you want to add an embroidery print, I can totally do that. I have an embroidery machine now. So, I mean, it just totally made this bag. Anyways, besides this embroidery print, let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. Now, this is a very, very different type of baby bag, but I just love it. So let's look at the exterior first. So these two things here, these are for hooking onto your stroller. So what you do is, this is what they look like. Show you this first. You take this, you wrap it around the stroller handles, you put the swivel clasp through the rectangle ring, and then you hook it onto the side D-ring on each side. And that'll make it so on each side it holds. It doesn't do very well right now because I don't have it attached to anything, but that is to put it onto the back of your stroller so you have easy access. On this one, there's so many options you can do on this. I decided to put in a side slip pocket just so you could have like a wallet or whatever handy. And on this side, it is a baby wipe pocket. So you slide your baby wipes into here and they would pop out here for easy access. It has grab handles. It has adjustable backpack handles. It has a generous zip pocket in the back here. Now this is the cool part. So the way you can use this bag is, it's a big one, I know. You can open it up just part way, and then it's just like a regular bag. You can like drop stuff in or whatever. And if you want to open it right up, it opens up so this front pocket goes nice and flat. So you could do it halfway just so everything's not flopping about and use it as a regular bag, or open it right up and ta-da, there's all your essentials there. So we have a cell phone pocket here, a zipper pocket here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mesh pockets to hold all your baby needs. A key clisp here so you can put your car keys or whatever on there so you do not lose them. There is just so much room in this bag for holding all of your baby on the go needs. So again, you can have it open flat, or you could just open it halfway, and then you have easy access to your phone that you have in this pocket or what have you. I just love it. It is such a fun bag. So if you're one of my clients and you have a baby on the way or a shower to go to and you want to order one of these, all my information is down below. You can go to my website and book in for a custom order. All the custom order openings I have are on there. You just go on there, book it, $75 deposit, and then I will email you and we will plan your bag. And if you're part of the bag makers community, not only is there a tutorial on this one, but this is also our May 2026 sew along course that we are doing on the membership side. Now the membership side has changed. There's only 2 tiers now, so this is included in tier number 1, the Beans Peeps Club, and it's only $4.99 a month, and you can cancel anytime. So if you want to do this, you can definitely join us for that for May 2026, or you can wait for 18 months and then it will release to the public side of the channel, but that's in 18 months. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys again. Bye.